Hello, do you know what composite numbers are? If you don't, that's great because we're here to help. Composite numbers is like the opposite of prime numbers. So a prime number is like 5, where only 5 and the 1 times table goes into it. So a composite would be the opposite. So an example of that could be the number 4, because the 2 times table goes into it, the 4 times table goes into it, and the 1 times table goes into it. So there's more than just its own number and 1. So another one could be 10. So because 10 goes the 1 times table, the 2 times table, the 5 times table, and the 10 times table. Okay? Now, to finish off, I'm going to write a number and you're going to tell me if that's composite or not. Is the number 7 a composite number? Correct, well done. It's not. That's a prime number because only the 1 times table and the 7 times table goes into it. So that makes it prime. So it is not a composite. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!